equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are tackling a screen replacement for the Lenovo Legion R9000P. First, gather your tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Start by powering off the laptop and removing the battery. Next, unscrew the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep those screws safe. You'll need them later. Once the back is off, carefully disconnect the display cable. Inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. A quick cleanup can prevent future issues. Now, let's focus on the screen. Remove the screws holding the display in place. Gently pry the screen away using the spudger. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding parts. With the old screen out, it's time to install the new one. Connect the display cable and secure the screen with screws. Before closing everything up, do a visual check to ensure everything is in place. Remember, for a professional diagnosis without obligation, consider our services. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about no calls, no travel. Get a quote before repair to know your costs upfront. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.